Today we are going to solve the example on exercise 4.3. Now see, the next example is here. Find the value of k if the following equations represent a pair of lines. And we know that is some necessary condition for the equation represent a pair of lines. And we know that the conditions, first condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. And second condition is H square minus AB is greater than or is equal to 0. Okay. And we also express the first condition in terms of a determinant. Now, for finding the value of k, we take the first condition. We get the exact value of k. Now, see, the first example is here. Given equation is, we have to give the equation px square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16y plus k is equal to 0. Comparing this equation, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and it is the general second degree equation. After comparing these two equations, we get the value of a is here 3. Then value of 2h is 10. Therefore, h get 5. Now, the value of b is also 3. Then, the coefficient of x, variable x is offset in this equation. So, the coefficient of x is here 0. Therefore, the value of g is also get 0. Now, the coefficient of y is 2f and value of 2f is here 16. So, the value of f get 8 and value of c is here k. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to write the given information. We have to give the equation represent a pair of lines. Since the given equation represents a pair of lines, and we know that the condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. And we have to find the value of ABC and FGH. All those values put in this condition and we get the value of k. Okay. Now, first of all these values in this condition, value of a is here 3, b is 3, value of c is here k, plus 2 times value of f is here 8, value of g is here 0 and value of h is here 5, minus value of a is here 3, f is here 8, take 8 square. Now, minus value of b is also 3 and g is 0 square minus value of c is here k h square, value of h is here 5. That means take here 5 square is equal to 0. Now simplify this condition. We get 3 3s are 9k plus product of all this term. Here is the 0. Product is here, get 0 minus 3 into square of 8, get 64 minus 3 into 0 square, get 0, 0 into 3, get here 0, then minus 5 square is a 25, 25 into k, get minus 25k. Okay, now in this result we have to write 2k. Then product of these two terms we can write 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18 into 1, get here 19, 192 minus 25k is equal to 0. Okay, now take the sum of a coefficient of k. Coefficient of k is here plus 9 minus 25, and difference between these two terms get here minus 16k minus 192, take as it is equal to 0. Now simplify this condition. We can write here 16 minus 16k is equal to 192. Okay, now therefore the value of k we can write here 192 whole term divided by minus 16. Now the ratio of these two terms get here k is equal to minus 12. This is the value of k. Okay, now first of all write down this problem. Now see the next question is here kxy plus 10x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0, and this equation is also represents a pair of line, and we know that the some necessary conditions for the equation represent a pair of line. So first of all we have to find the value of ABC and EFGH. So we take the, here we can write the given equation. The given equation is kxy plus 10x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation, comparing with the general second degree equation, and we know that the general second degree equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. After comparing these two equations, we get the value of ABC and FGH. Now we can write value of A. A is here, coefficient of x square term is absent in this equation, so take the coefficient of x square is here 0. Then coefficient of xy is 2h and coefficient of xy is here k. So simplifying this, we get the value of h is here k by 2. Now the coefficient of y square is here b, but in this equation y square term is absent, so take the coefficient of y square is here 0. Now the coefficient of x is here 2g, and 2g get here 10. Now we can write here value of g is here 5. Then coefficient of 2y, coefficient of y is here 2f. 2f is here get 6. After simplifying this, we get the value of f is here Now constant term is here C, and C get the value 4. Okay, for finding the value of K, we take the first condition, then after we get the exact value of K. Okay, now first of all write down the given information is here. Since the given equation represents a pair of lines. To take the condition is here ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Otherwise, we take this condition in terms of a determinant. Now, put the value of ABC and FGH. Here we can write A is here 0, value of B is also 0, value of C is here 4 plus 2 times value of F is here 3, value of G is here 5, then value of H is here K by 2 minus value of A is 0 into F square. F is here 3, take a 3 square minus B is here 0 and G is here 5. So take here 5 square minus value of C is 4 into H square. H is here K by 2. Now simplify this condition. Take a product of these three terms get 0 plus, in that case these two terms get cancelled. Take a product of these two terms. 5 is 15K minus 0 into any term get here 0. Also 0 into any term get here 0. Take a product of square of this term. Take 4 as it is. Square of K by 2 is here K square divided by 4. Okay. Now again simplify this condition. We can write here 15K minus 4 term get cancelled. K square is equal to 0. Now in this condition we take the common factor. Common factor is here get K. In bracket we can write K is common. Write here 15 minus K is equal to 0. Now in that case product of these two terms get 0. So take here value of K is equal to 0 or 15 minus K is equal to 0. Therefore value of K is 0, or simplifying this we can write here K is equal to also 15. But we get the two value of K's, but after putting the value of K is 0, put K is equal to 0 in this condition. Put K is equal to 0, we get the equation. Here we put 0, get equation 10x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. 10x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0, and we know that it is a linear equation. This equation represents only one line, but we have to give the given equation represent a pair of lines. So we can't take the value of K is here 0. Therefore the value of K is not equal to 0, because K is 0. This equation does not represent a pair of line. Okay. Now the value of K is here. We can write K is equal to 15, and it is the correct value of K. Okay. Now write down this question. Now the Third example, write down for homework. X square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Now let's see the question number 7 is next example is find the value of P and Q if the equation is px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Okay, now in this example we have to find the value of P and Q. We have to give the general second degree equation, and for finding the value of P and Q we have to give the given equation. Given equation is px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0. This equation represents a pair of perpendicular lines, and we know that the condition for the equation represent a perpendicular lines. Okay, first of all I write here the condition of a perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Okay, we know that the condition of a perpendicular lines, equation represent a perpendicular lines, and we know the condition a plus b is equal to 0, and the equation represent a parallel lines. In that case the given equation satisfy the condition h square minus ab is equal to 0. Okay, so for finding the value of P and Q, first of all we write the given equation. Given equation is px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0. First of all we have to find the value of ABC and EFGH. So for finding all those values, this equation comparing with general second degree equation. Comparing given equation with the general second degree equation, and we know the general second degree equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now after comparing these two equations we get the value of a. Value of a is here p. Now value of 2h. 2h is the coefficient of xy. So take 2h is equal to minus a. Then simplifying this we get the value of h is here minus 4. Now the value of b. b is the coefficient of y square. Y square coefficient is here 3. Now the coefficient of 2g. 2g that is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 14. Simplify this, we get the value of g is here 2 7s are 14. So take g is equal to 7. Now the value of 2f. 2f is here 2. After simplifying this, we get the value of f is here 1. And value of c is the constant term, and constant term of this equation is here q. Okay. Now for finding p and q, we have to give the given lines are the perpendicular lines. Since the lines are the given lines are perpendicular to each other, then we know that the condition of a perpendicular line is a plus b is equal to 0. And to put the value of a is here p, b is here 3. So p plus 3 is equal to get 0. So simplifying this equation, we get the value of p is here minus 3. But we know that p is the coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x square is here a. So a and p, these two are the equal value. So here we get the value of a is also minus 3. Okay. Now for finding the value of q, the equation represent a pair of lines. Those lines are perpendicular, but given equation represent a pair of lines, and we know that the condition of a pair of lines is also, we take the condition, also the given equations represents a pair of lines. Okay. And we know that the condition of a pair of lines is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Okay. Now in this condition, put the value of ABC and FGH. Value of A is here P, but we have to find the value of P is here minus 3. Value of B is here 3. Then value of C is the constant, and value of C is here Q, plus 2 times value of F is here 1. Then value of G is here 7. H is here minus 4. Then minus A is minus 3. F square, F is here value of F 1, take here 1 square, minus B is 3. G square, G is here 7. So take 7 square minus CH square, CH square, C is here Q, and H is here value of H is minus 4. So take here minus 4 square. Okay. Now simplify this condition. Take a product of these two terms. 3 3s are 9. So minus sign take as it is minus 9 cube plus take a product of these two terms is here 14, and 14 4s are 56. Here is the minus sign, minus 56. Minus minus get plus 1 square is 1. 1 into 3 get here 3 minus 3 times 7 square is here 49. Okay. Now minus 4 square get 16. 16 into cube, we can write here 16 cube is 0. Okay. Now simplify all those terms. We can write here minus 9 cube minus 56 plus 3 get here plus minus 53 minus, take a product of these two terms is here 3 9s are 27, 7 I take here as it is, then 3 4s are 12, 12 into 2 get here 14 minus 16q is equal to 0. Now take a sum of a coefficient of q. Coefficient of q is here minus 9 minus 16 get minus 25q. Then sum of these two terms get here minus 200 is equal to 0. Now take minus 25q is equal to 25q as it is, transform minus 200 to the right hand side, we get here 200. Now after simplifying this, we get q is equal to 200 divided by minus 25. Okay. Now simplify this, we get the ratio of these two terms is here q is equal to minus 8. So the value of p, the values of p is equal to get minus 3 and q is equal to minus 8. So write down this problem. Now the next problem of similar type we can write for the homework. Write down the next problem is find question number 8. Find the value of p and q if the equation, write down the equation is 2x square plus 8xy, 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx, py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Represents a pair of parallel lines. Parallel lines. And this question write down for homework. Okay. Now in the next video lecture we will see in the remaining example on the exercise 4.3. Okay.